To prepare prawn chow chow noodles, I'll be using 15 prawns and I will be cutting them into two halves. After giving a cut, let's season it with salt. Vegetable required to prepare chow chow, I'll be using 2 medium carrots cut into fine strips, 15 to 20 French beans, 2 spring onion, 2 large potatoes, 1 large capsicum and 2 eggs. Now we'll just add some salt to the eggs and we'll beat them up. I'm using 300 grams of Hakka noodles and now let's go and boil it. To boil the noodles, use 3 tablespoons of oil. Once the water is boiling, now is the time to add the noodles. And our noodles are ready now. So all our ingredients for Hakka noodles are ready. We have to fry everything individually in a batch. So let's start with the egg first. In a wok, let's take 3 tablespoons of oil. Now let's add the egg in this. Let's scramble the egg. The eggs are ready now. Now let's take them separately and in the same pan, let's fry the vegetables. So in the same pan, add another 2 tablespoons of oil. So I'm going to fry the carrots first. The carrots are ready now. In the same wok, let's add another 2 tablespoons of oil. And now let's fry the French beans. The French beans are ready. Now let's go with the other one. Now let's fry the capsicum. I'm frying this vegetable in an individual batch just because every vegetable takes its own time to cook. Now the capsicums are ready. Now let's not add the oil because there is oil and I'm going to fry the spring onions. So the spring onion as well is ready now. And with the potatoes, I'm going to deep fry them. Those are deep fried now. Now at the end, let's fry the prawns. Add 3 tablespoons of oil. Now let's put the prawns. So for the chow chow, you really don't need to use only prawns itself. We are using prawns because we are seafood lovers. You either can prepare it with chicken or plain with vegetable itself. And the method for this is the same. Now prawns are ready. Now let's take this separately. So using the same wok again, I will not be adding any oil in there because there is enough of oil. If you need, you can use. And I'll be taking the fried carrots, French beans and capsicum together. Just stir fry it again for 1 minute. To this, I'll be adding 1 teaspoon of pepper. And to this, I'm adding 1/4 teaspoon of salt because I'll be using chicken stock powder to this as well. And 1 teaspoon of chicken stock powder. And now let's stir fry it. So I'll be adding now just half of spring onion. Leave this for a garnish at the end. Give a stir fry for 2 minutes. Now let's add the prawns to this. Stir fry again for another minute. Now let's add the scrambled egg that we have. And let's mix it and stir fry it again. Now let's add the noodles. Use 2 tablespoons of soya sauce. Now using a fork and a spoon, let's mix this all together. Now let's add the fried potatoes. and mix it once again. Our chow chow is ready now. So friends, if you liked our video, do show us your love by sharing, liking and subscribing our channel. And don't forget to send your feedbacks into the comment section. Till then, love you all. Adios.